Just testing a light switch which I'm going to be replacing in another switch that's not working. So I put the multimeter on resistance mode, lowest resistance like 200 ohms, and I've connected the connectors of the multimeter, and it looks like this switch, the black is one of the sides, maybe the hot, and the gold or the brass is the other side. And then basically it's showing on the up position, which is looks showing like it's on, so it's like almost zero resistance. But when I switch it down, it goes to infinite resistance, so an open circuit. And so try it again. Up, it goes to almost zero, and down. And the switch, actually it was a little confusing because this right side of the switch has two screws and two connectors, and this left side has one, but this left side is the same as the one on the right side, gold. So it looks like these two have to be used. The black has to be used and one of the golds. So either that gold connector on this side or the other one. And this looks like it's for ground, this connector down here. So that's how the switch is used.